Legal analyst Jeff Hosford from Hosford Law Firm. Jeff, good to have you here with us.
Thank you for having me.
This isn't the first time we've seen a case like this, an election contest in our area. So once attorneys in a case like this have both presented their sides, and we often hear the judge say he will take it under advisement. So this means what?
Basically what the judge is going to do is he's going to take the facts as presented by the two sides, apply the law to those facts, and determine whether or not whichever side is more likely to have the positive result or to win the case. In this kind of situation, they'll look at things like whether the affidavit ballots were properly filled out, whether they were submitted in time, whether they were provided to the clerk as required, and those kind of things.
Attorneys in cases like this often refer to other cases that have had sort of, I guess, historic outcomes as well to compare to the case that they're presenting, right?
Obviously, they always look at other cases to try to use the law in those cases to come forward and help their side. With election results in this area being as close as they have been lately, we've had elections decided by 1 ballot, 5 ballots, 10 ballots. These kind of things are more likely to become common. You look at some of these ballots and you wonder if they're accurate, and then the only place to challenge that ballot is going to be before the court.
All right. Well, one thing we can all certainly learn from it is every vote counts, so get out and vote when there's an election, right?
The more people that vote, the more representative we have, and that is better for all of America. So if you are of voting age, get out and vote. It's good for all of us.
Great to have your perspective as always. We'll see you next week.
Thank you for having me.